Hello guys, welcome back again. This is Wheezy Life. I'm really impressed with the way you are interacting on the channel. It's fantastic, interesting, fantabulous, and unperhestes. Please, it's not a word though. Don't go and look for it, please. So today we have a short but weighty problem on our table, which we're about to discuss and render our opinions and our minds. Hello, Wheezy Life. Please keep me anonymous. I've been with my boyfriend for 2 years, and truly speaking, it's been one of my best relationships. Can you imagine I caught my man with another lady in bed? The same lady he told me bounced him when he showed interest. The humiliating part of the whole situation is he keeps saying I'm the cause of him cheating. Ooh, really? This is a guy I've helped many times when no one was willing to sort him out. Called yesterday morning, reprimanded me about my behavior towards the girl I caught him with. Can you imagine he wants me to apologize to her or say bye-bye to the relationship? I love this guy and I don't want to lose him. You and your audience should kindly help me with what to do. I'm really losing my mind. Sorry for the long post. Hey, you are losing your mind. You shouldn't lose your mind, please. You dare not lose your mind because the hospitals are full. There are no beds. So if you lose your mind, I beg you, don't lose your mind for a guy. Don't lose your mind for him. But it's unfortunate for a guy like this to treat you this way. Well, viewers, this is what we have on our table, and you need to bring in your views. I'm overwhelmed with such a situation. You should think about your value, the value you have. Yes, because in a relationship, values matter a lot. So for you to love a guy like this and he will put you through this kind of situation is really, really mind-boggling. It's unperhested. Totally unperhested. No one deserves to be blamed for someone else's actions. No. You should consider your value and your worth in the relationships or in the relationship. Yeah. What you do for him, what the sacrifices you've made and are ready to make also. You consider your value, the value of yourself in the relationship. Yes, because nobody is to be blamed for another man's or another person's actions. No, you decided to go and cheat. The reason, unbeknownst to us, you decided to go and cheat. So you shouldn't blame the lady for you cheating. It's very disrespectful for a guy to treat his girlfriend like that. Probably there is another side of the story which we don't know, but what we have now is that you've cheated and you are shifting blame on the lady. We don't do that. If you have any problem, you just discuss with the lady, and if she doesn't listen to you, just go your separate ways. That's the best thing to do than cheat and shift the blame on her. Nobody, if you were the one that she's gone to, or she has cheated on you and she's trying to put the blame on you, I don't think you will accept it. It's not acceptable. We can't accept this. For you to go and cheat and later come and shift blame on your girlfriend is a no-no, unacceptable. It's totally disrespectful, and the brothers are not happy with you at all. No. We aren't happy. We are not happy with you. Yeah, so please, in as much as there are jokes around, it doesn't mean that you should just go because you love the man or you love the guy, you are just in. No, please think about your value, think about yourself first before the relationship. Number 2, you should hold him accountable or responsible for his action. Cheating is a choice, and he has decided to go and cheat. He has decided in his heart to cheat. So you should hold him accountable. Ask him, put it to him that why did you go and cheat? Am I not enough for you? Why did you cheat on me? Let him explain. Don't let him manipulate you by virtue of saying that if you are not ready to apologize to the lady, it's bye-bye. So hold him responsible for cheating. If he's ready for this relationship, you will know from his response or his reply or his reaction after he's been asked. One of the things you should also do is prioritize your happiness. Happiness in a relationship matters a lot. You should be happy. Whether or not there is a guy in your life, you should be happy. If you're not happy, you can't translate that into the relationship, because relationship is about the left coming and the right coming. So they meet. Just you are trying to be happy, you shouldn't tolerate certain actions that will undermine your self-respect. No. Self-respect is very important in a relationship. If it's necessary or if you deem it important, reevaluate the relationship with the guy. Reevaluate the relationship with the guy. Assess it and say, is this relationship worth it? Am I into this to be treated this way? Is it important? Should I proceed to date him? Should I proceed to go out with him? Assess and evaluate the relationship, and that is where you can make the right decision. Yes, right decision, because nobody will speak for you. In as much as we are trying to also pour out our views and our ideas, it doesn't mean it will fit. But when you weigh these options, you can select one that is applicable to your relationship. And you're also saying, I don't want to lose this guy, and I'm losing my mind. Please don't lose your mind. And sometimes you have to lose who you have to get the better one for your life. Because you probably may think, the person I'm with, I love him so much, and due to that, you are being treated badly in a relationship. Please, there are times where you need to move on in life, quit the relationship and move on. Other than that, you end up going through a lot, and your health is also at stake. Consider your health. Feel free, move freely, be happy. Yes, move on and ask him. Be open. Tell him, you want to move on with this relationship. If he says yes, fine. If he doesn't say yes, move on and things will be normal. Because there are many guys out there who need a good lady like you. Yeah. And my viewers, drop your comments, your thoughts on this situation. Let us all know what your thoughts are by commenting in the section below. And before you go, please, I would like you to subscribe. That's my humble request. Subscribe to the channel. Please like, share, and turn on the notification bell whenever new videos are being uploaded, such as this case. You'll be the first to have it on your phone. So please kindly share, kindly subscribe. I really appreciate you for supporting me. And this is Weezy Life. See you some other time.